Okay, it's now Thursday. Gonna make another crack at the wiring. Okay, this is the wiring that goes to the fuse box that sits in the engine bay. It's the headlight wiring, and then everything else that goes into there is from, I don't know, old stuff that was here before, such as aircon, power steering. I don't know, power steering doesn't have any electric, does it? But aircon and stuff like that. Old fog lights, maybe some ABS stuff as well. So that needs to be thinned out. So that's the job for tonight. There's Finn. Finn's fixing this BMW.
Here's Daniel, actually wrecking his whole fucking car.
Yeah.
Again. Say hi, Dan.
Huh?
Show him channel. Say hello.
Hello.
Say it with enthusiasm.
What is all this mess? Look at all this. What is all that?
Not really happy about it.
Shit. I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. Look at all this. It's K20 engine on this, so we need that. But then that's
Shit.
I think that's OEM ECU.
For what though?
Can't remember what these shock tail plugs are doing. One of them must be a distributor or something.
That's the OEM wiring, like the TEG wiring.
Yeah. The original V18 wiring. I ain't got a clue what these fucking things are doing.
That green one's for the so you can do a blink test on it.
Ah, yeah.
1 hour later.
That one, oh there we go, right. So it's just empty off engine harness. That plugs into the interior loom conversion of the K-tuned harness, and then that one plugs into that as well off the K-tuned harness. So none of that other wiring, none of this shit does out.
So what you can do, cut it out?
Just gonna cut it out, yeah. And hopefully my car works after.
Well, we hope so.
Yeah.
If not, you're soldering a lot of wires back together.
You are?
What?
Where's my snicks?
Oh god.
Okay, we're going to weigh some shit and see how much it weighs with my accurate scales. DC2 dashboard, 11 kilos. This is the heater matrix. That's just 5 kilos. Probably about 3 or something. And that is 3. You know, I'm good at weighing stuff in the house.
What we get total then?
3
That's like
kilo.
11.
So that's
11. What was that?
14, 5, 19 so far.
I told you that's the way, like.
That's a 12.
This box weighed about, not a lot before.
You want to get a tie wrap in between.
Yeah, that's only about 3 to 4 kilos maybe, but it's just all wiring and stuff. Right, this is Odyssey Extreme battery. This is a Halford's OEM one, which I bought about 2 years ago. Still good if anyone wants to buy it, 10 inch yours.
Really? Worst plug ever.
OEM battery weighs, is that 14? Just under 14?
14.
Yeah.
Dan struggling.
That's heavy, that is. What's that? 7? 7. So there's 7 kilos saved, so that's 26.
Yes.
Plus that, see if that's 3 or 4, 30 already.
Looking at that bucket's 3 or 4.
That's what she said. So that's about 30 kilos down already.
You're going to struggle to weigh that, I'll tell you now. Dan was trying to weigh his cage. He's going to fail miserably.
The central loop is 8.5.
That's lovely.
That's nice. 5, it's 13.5.
That one single piece is 5.
18.5, it's the same.
You just made that up.
It's the same, 18.5.
Yeah, but one's got a sticker on it.
That's another 5. Why is that 5 if that's 5? What?
Ah, he's not 5.
Oh no, it's 10.
You idiot.
10. It's 28.
Idiot.
28 kilo.
What is he, Fred?
Idiot.
Hang on, I'm doing this wrong.
You idiot. What are you on pounds?
Yeah, I'm looking at pounds.
You being serious? No, I think we'll keep that for the the bloopers. You fucking idiot.
So that's 7 kilo.
Oh my god, do it all again.
7 kilo. Adds.
Oh look, we're doing it again because Dan was weighing it in pounds.
9, 16.
Hey up. Don't break it, I could sell that.
5.
You're lost
21.
now. 21? What's 9 plus 10?
21.
2.
So that's 23.
So that's a 25 kilo cage. That's not bad, is it?
That's fucking heavy.
It's not a lot for a cage.
Yeah, but what about the rest of this shit you forgot to fucking weigh up properly?
Might just not put the cage back in.
You idiot.
Just ringing Josh Lawton for advice.
His boyfriend.
See what he says. Look, I've got a quick question for you. Do you know the shock tower plugs from a B series? Do you normally take them out of the loom or do you just tidy them away?
Just normally chuck them away. Don't use them, mate. You can probably get away with cutting them out, to be honest.
Alright. I know.
So, verdict.
Right, I'm just going to cut some wires. So,
Wow.
that's what I'm going to do.
Prepare for the car to never run again. That's like an awesome movement right there.
That's doing nothing.
That is literally doing nothing. Just for the viewers at home, Daniel is attempting to decipher his wiring.
Pretty much. Look at this big blue one, what's that for? Is that like Dizzy or something?
What the fuck is that? There's no, it's not even going to the plug, is it? Dan, are you even checking what you're cutting? You're just cutting. You have no idea, do you?
No.
Ready? Cut.
Oh, you put in a pressure.
I'm just like, literally, I'm just showing the viewers what you're doing. Look.
Yeah. I don't know if anyone's going to even watch this.
What?
These videos.
Why?
Would you sit at home and watch me cut wires? Is anyone going to be sat at home watching me cut wires?
Another one. Another one.
Basically, if it comes from one of these three and goes to some of this, then it's getting cut. So I can't think it does anything. So.
Seems like good logic. Way! How much is that weigh? Weigh it. Weigh it.
It's about,
use your hook.
about 100 kilo.
Use a hook. That's at least like 105 grams.
Just, I don't know, it's got to be like 50 grams.
50 grams is better than nothing.
Yeah, it's like a packet of crisps or something, isn't it? Right.
And what's that?
So that's CL, check
What?
engine light.
Ah.
That's the fuel pump. And then the blue and white, which is that one. Is that white and blue or blue and white? White and blue, that's the alternator. So that's the only three that I need for the cage-in harness, those three.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Are we best off wiring it up and see if it starts?
Starting to get a bit nervous about my wire cutting. So, I'm gonna plug the ECU and the fuse box back in, put the battery on, and see if it starts. We've just patched this together to see if it'll run. Yeah. So hopefully it runs. Yeah.
So in theory, now we've linked up the battery, the ECU, Ghetto like twisted the wiring together, it should, in theory, start. Even though I've cut like 50 wires. Moment of truth. Go for it.
Yeah, there's nothing there at all.
Nothing?
No.
Wow. Shit. We've just been informed that the ignition is not plugged in because Dan is an absolute dumbass. That is WistOS, follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, all the plugs from the ignition barrel have been unplugged. So.
You found what?
I found one plug, but I can't find where the other one goes.
Have you chopped it off?
Probably.
How ironic. You find it?
Yeah, it goes into the fuse box.
I'll take time.
We could like pop 20 fuses right now. What are you doing there? Oh, that'll make a difference, man. That's just for the real lights.
Oh! We had noises. Ah.
No fuel pump. No fuel pump.
Yeah, because nothing actually.
No fuel pump.
So what's cut? Or what isn't connected?
Let's find the fuel pump wire.
Or at least it fires.
At least it cranks.
Which is a good start.
Yeah.
Well, kind of a good start. Find the fuel pump wire.
So the car isn't starting, it's cranking over. But I did actually have this problem when I first did the K-swap, and it was to do with the fuel pump. Off the main relay, I had to earth it. And if you come around here, the earth for the main relay had come off. We just tried to tie it back together, but it's not ideal. But we need to get it all bottled back in and try it properly. But we have just run out of time, so I have to come back to it and do it another day. So for now, the car's cranking but not running. But before I do any more wiring, I just want to make sure I can hear it run. And we'll go from there. So I think it should be quite a simple one though. As I say, I had the same problem when I first did the K-swap, so hopefully it's a simple fix. Until next time.